Hi guys, I'm going to teach you about the section modulus today. First, please take a quick look at the question. Right. So how do we find the section modulus? First, you have to plot the table, and by plotting the table, you have to look at the figure first before you can plot the table. Because, right, you have to need all this. And then for the first one, the items, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Basically, I took the item 1 as here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the top to the bottom. Okay, so next we have to find the BH, which is the breadth and the height. Alright, so for the first item, the breadth is 600 mm and 10 mm. So it's 600 times 10, but do note that your answers is in cm, so you have to convert all the answers to cm. So it's 60 times 1. Alright, next is 1 times 30. And next is 60 times 1. And next is 1 times 40. And next is 60 times 1. Alright, so you multiply them together to get the area. And after the area, you have to find the distance from baseline. Alright, so how to find this? The baseline will always start at the bottom of the figure. Okay, so if you want to find the distance from baseline for item 1, right, you have to add up all this together. However, at the item, right, the height you have to divide by 2. Okay, so it's 1 plus 40 plus 1 plus 30 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 72.5. And next is 1 plus 40 plus 1 plus 30 divided by 2, which will get 57. And subsequently, 1 plus 40 plus 1 divided by 2 and 1 plus 40 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 2. And you get the answer. Okay, next you have to find the AD. AD is area times distance. You multiply them together, you get the answer. After AD, you have to find the IO. IO, which is basically BH cubed over 12. Alright, so your BH cubed over 12. So you do the calculations and you get the answer. And next you have to find the AD square, which is the area times the distance square. So write down the answers. And finally, you have to find the I1, which is equals to IO plus AD square, which is IO plus AD square. So add them up together, you get the answer. And you can proceed to the next step. It will be finding YB. And by finding YB, right, you have to take the summation of AD over summation of A, which is 9420 after you add up, divided by 250 after you add up. You will get an answer of 37.68 cm. Alright, next you have to find IB, which is the summation of I1. Alright, and by finding I, you will take IB minus summation of A times YB square, which is area times your YB square. The whole thing gets subtracted by IB, which is 541433.3 minus 250, which is your A, and 37.68, which is your YB. Okay, you'll get answer I. And next, to find the section modulus, you have to take I over YB, which is this answer over this answer. You'll get the answer of 4949 for ZB. So next you have to find the second section modulus, which is ZD. So how to find ZD? We have to find YD first. So we take the summation of the distance, which is the total distance, as in the total distance here, which is 1 plus 40 plus 1 plus 30 plus 1, which will give you 73. minus 37.68, which is your YB, you'll get 35.32 for your YD. Next, you can find your ZD, which is I over YD, and you'll get 5280, and that's your final answer. Thank you.